Let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS 2024 set 1 GA question number 1. If arrow mark denotes increasing order of intensity, then the meaning of the word dry arrow, arid arrow, parched is analogous to diet arrow, first arrow. A blank is given. Which one of the given option is appropriate to fill the blank? And 4 options are given. Let's first understand the meaning. Dry means out of moisture. You can see your skin is dry. The weather is too dry, right? So it is free from moisture or liquid, or you can say not wet or moist. Next is arid. Arid means excessively dry, or you can say having insufficient rainfall. Next is parched. Parched means drying out with heat, or we can say excessively thirsty. That is parched. Okay, in desert area or in sunstroke. So got the intensity of dry, arid, parched. Dry means little dry, then arid means having more dry, insufficient of rainfall. Parched means like long year there are no rainfall, like more than 10 years there are no rains. That is parched. Next, what is diet? Diet means one restrict oneself either to lose weight or due to some medical reason. So I can say I am following intermittent fasting diet. So I restrict myself having late night dinner. There are different type of diet like keto diet, low carb diet, high fat diet, high protein diet. Next is fast. Fast means to eat only certain kind of food, especially due to religious purpose. Like tomorrow is Shivratri. So some people do fasting whole day for Shivratri. People do fasting for Ramadan, for Navratri, for Ekadasi. Next for blank, there are 4 options. Let's check all the options. Option A, starve. Starve means someone is starving without food. Someone is hungry but he have no food. That is starving, dying from hunger. Okay. Next is reject. Reject means inappropriate, not according to my choice. So that we can say reject. Next is feast. Feast means it's party. We have lots of options. We have a big plate of foods. That is feast. A large meal, typically one in celebration of something, right? Next option D is deny. Deny means one refuse to admit the truth. So here answer will be starve. Diet means one is restricting oneself. First means they are following certain kind of pattern. Starve means you have no food to eat. You are starving of hunger. So here answer will be option A, starve. This type of similar question also asked in GATE DA and in GATE CS set 2. Just check out that. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.